Hey, Bravehearts. Well, here we go again. Hey, Lori.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, where are we off to, hon?
Puerto Rico.
See, she had to think about it. We've been on the road for 8 months now and flying all over the world. We called it the Braveheart Nation World Tour. And we're off to Puerto Rico right now to set up our university and our abundance program. And it actually is an abundance program for our practitioners, because whether you want to believe it or not, you can be wealthy on all levels, health, wealth, okay? And understand this, you're never going to be healthy or wealthy unless you learn the word no. It is the most powerful word, and it will become the most powerful word for the next 7 years. And whether you like it or not, you better practice that word. If you can't say no when you mean no to your friends and your family, okay, how are you going to do it? How are you going to do this, okay, in the next 3 years when 250,000 of these psychos have come together and strategized on how to take 8 billion people down to the mat, okay? And whether you believe it or not, let's just play a little game. In 3 to 6 months, they're coming at us the same way they did for 3 years with only one thing. Now they're coming with 4 things, okay? So I'm going to Puerto Rico, and I'm going to open up an office there. I'm going to Texas to shut down 3 fulfillment centers, to open up 1 big one in Texas. And I'm also opening up a clinic, and I'm also opening up a juice bar there. And then I'm going to be going from there to Mexico to just check some things out that I've got going on down there. Then I'm going to fly to Kelowna. I'll be in Kelowna in the middle of September, and I'm going to be doing a day with the doc, and I'll be doing a lecture. I got a question for you. Why don't they seed the skies in Kelowna and everywhere else around the world that are on fire right now? You do know that they can seed the skies and create rain. You do know that, right? But why aren't they doing it? Anyways, just know this, everyone. N-O. N-O. Okay? When you say no, okay, put your hand on your heart and just, love, honor, and respect yourself and be able to say no. And start practicing with yourself. No to the alcohol, no to the drugs, okay? No to the foods that are made by these psychos, because I hope you know that these psychos own all the food corporations, okay? Then guess what? I got to tell you something. I love the people of Australia. What a beautiful people, seriously. But understand something. You need to learn how to say no, all you Australians, because I can't believe what they put you through for 3 years, and they're going to come and try to do it again. And just know that my heart is with you. My heart is with everybody in British Columbia that's on fire right now. My heart's with everyone around the world. And understand something, until you unconditionally love and care for yourself, how can you do that for anybody else? And listen to me, you don't have a lot of work to do. You've got a lot of loving to do. Say yes to you and no to everything that is a lower vibration. Start letting things go. Like Lori and I, we've got big dreams. When COVID came, it went for 3 years. I said to Lori, let's prove to everyone around us that we can grow our business 3 to 4 times bigger. And we did. Now, we're going to actually, over this next 5 years, they're going to come at us hard. And we're going to build our business. And we're going to learn that we have to pivot and give it. We're not going to set a plan and go, we're going to do that plan anyways, because these guys do control things, but they don't control me. But you know what? I got to tell you something. Hey, Lori, every time that we were unable to do something because of these psychos, they gave us a better plan. Did they?
Yeah, they did.
I don't know why, but there is a God, there is a source, there is a creator. And every time these psychos try to upset us or try to destroy us, they make us think outside the box, and then they give us a better plan. Hey, I want to thank you for threatening my life, my livelihood, and everything else, because now I've got a better plan. Oh my God. Hey, let me tell you something. That's how we're going to work at every one of you Bravehearts. Okay, I had a meeting with everyone today that is working with us, and I told them, I said, no, get rid of victimitis, because that's truly the only virus. And you get on there and you be happy, and you enjoy yourself, and you show the world that no matter what's going to go on, we are going to get through this together. Together we get through this. And you know what? We are coming out with an app called Braveheart Nation. And Mindy Harley and Vess, they are the ones that are going to build this. It'll be done in 7 months. It's going to be amazing. It's free to the world. And she said, you need a tagline for it, Daryl. And I said, there's only one tagline. We rise together. Okay? Rise together. And you need to do that. You think about your wife. You think about your husband. You think about your children. And you think about observing and not judging. You think about loving and not hating. You think about loving them unconditionally, not how much do they love me. And oh yeah, I've got my blue right here. Somebody says, do you have your blue light glasses? Right here. You don't wear blue light. You wear Tesla glasses while flying, or your eyes are going to burn. So whether or not, let's say if I watch that thing, okay, which I should turn that off. Okay, hold on here. Power. See, thank you. Well, anyways, there's a way to turn that off. But the blue light is more dangerous actually than the 5G. Did you know that? Did you know that? Oh yeah, because we have it everywhere. You got it on your phone, got it on your TV, you got it on the LED lighting. And you know what? They could have put Tesla technology and scalar technology on all computers, all phones, and they'd be healing us. These psycho parasites. Okay? I don't hate them. I understand. This is a life-threatening, fun-filled adventure, and I am a Braveheart. And they are never going to get my goat. And if you want to get back at these sons of you-know-whats, then guess what? You get healthy and wealthy on all levels, okay? That means that you are going to unconditionally love yourself. No chokeholds, okay? No chokeholds. And you are going to unconditionally love your family and your friends. And you're not going to focus on anything that you don't like. And you're not ever going to talk about anything you don't like. You're going to go for everything you do like. Don't you get it? They want you to bitch and complain about how you're not going to. Daryl Noy, is your BC Center open to order? Yes, it is. And also, I'm going to British Columbia to do the grand opening. If you go to braveheartnation.com, everyone, we're giving a free gift away on the day of the opening to everyone. And I'm going to be doing a free lecture in Kelowna as well. I'm not stopping. I'm only getting started. Okay, I just had my birthday 2 weeks ago, and yeah, I'm just I'm just a little boy finding his way in this big sandbox. But listen to me, like I said, no more chokeholds, no more judgments on yourself, no more sinner's syndrome. You learn to do the mirror work. You get yourself a Braveheart love band, and you love yourself today, because that's the only thing, unconditionally, that's the only thing that's going to get you through to 2032. By the time we get to 2032, we'll be doing great. Okay? All right? And just know this. So we were going to open up a clinic in Puerto Rico, but we're not going to. Lori and I will have a place in Puerto Rico. We'll have the Braveheart Nation Abundance Program, and we'll have the university there. But we've decided that we are going to spend all our time supporting our practitioners. Let me tell you something. What's the sense of actually having someone become a Wolf non-surgical therapist or whole life coach, and then guess what? Okay, good luck with that. Okay, that's not going to happen. Listen to everybody. You can think whatever you want of me, but guess what? We build their websites, we make their cards, we design them, we help pick their names, we support them, we teach them marketing, and this is all basically free, isn't it, Lori? Okay, we make not one penny off of it. Okay, not one penny. We're gonna prove to everyone that we are going to have 10,000 Wolf non-surgical therapists within the next 4 years. Okay, we already taught 1,200 in the last 2 years. Okay, maybe it might be a little bit more, but we're upping our game because we are proving to everyone that comes to take our course the first time that they can be better than me. You can be better than me, and you better strive to be better than me. You need to take everything that I share with you and then go in and get and tap into your genius, your passion, your purpose, and then be better than me. And never follow me. Take what I have and go inside yourself and become your own leader. The world needs leaders right now, not followers. For God's sakes, we don't need any more followers. That's called the herd. okay? How old are you? I just turned 67. And yeah, and you know what? We have not been able to swim like we like every day, eh, honey? And anyways, just know this.
Soon.
You're going to see, we get there tomorrow night, a day and a half from now. We'll get there and to Puerto Rico. And we rented the only place that when you walk out the door, the beach is 20 feet.
Yeah.
20 feet, I mean, the water's 20 feet.
Can't wait.
Yeah, so I'm going to be doing sand scrubs. I'll show you how to do a sand scrub in Puerto Rico. I did one in Australia, and you're going to see me roll around like a little piggy in that sand to get the magnesium, to get the iodine, and to scrub all that old man wrinkle stuff off me. What do you think of that? Anyway, so we're going there for meetings. We have the Order of Malta. You can go look it up. They're the most powerful order, second to the bad order, which is, what do they call the guy? I'm so tired. Let me think. It doesn't matter. These are the white hats, and they're coming to actually indoctrinate our university into their order, okay? Let me tell you something, okay? Whatever you want, I swear, just know that you deserve it, but you got to deserve it with your heart. And when you say it, if you have one little inkling of that you don't deserve it, like if you've got sinner syndrome, you forget it. You're not going to get what you deserve on this planet. If you've got I'm a failure or I've let somebody down syndrome, well, you're not going to get anything either, okay? And just know that all the stuff I'm getting, it's not yours. It was mine. There's enough of everything on this planet. These guys are psycho. We could have 100 billion people living on this planet, okay? If we had unconditional love, there would be unlimited food, unlimited water, and unlimited fun. And we don't even need money, honey. Do we, honey?
No.
No, money's just the way to choke us. And I don't think it'll ever change, because when you play Monopoly, you have to always use money when you play Monopoly. Or I don't want to play Monopoly if I have to use money. Well, guess what? You can't come to planet Earth unless you want to use money. And that's the way they choke us. But I think that what we are is that we are brand new spirits in the universe. And if we can't prove that we can unconditionally love ourselves, we don't get to move to the next level. Okay? So let me tell you something. Until you learn how to fly, okay, you're going to be grounded, baby. And that's first love yourself. We're not going to be grounded, are we, honey?
Never.
We're going to be up and away every minute of every day, because you got to own your moment, because that's the only place you can create something new or heal yourself or renew your body or renew your life. Okay, what can you let go today? Okay, start focusing on everything you can let go. And remember something, N-O, the most powerful word in the next 7 years that you're going to say is no. Because when you say no to you, you say yes to you. And remember something, whether it's your wife, whether it's your children, whether it's your husband, whether it's your mommy and daddy, we're allowed to say no. You know what? Believe it or not, Lori actually says no to me. And it really pisses me off sometimes. No, it doesn't. You know what? Okay? You have a beautiful day, and we'll see you in Puerto Rico. Okay?
Yeah.
God bless. Okay? And just know this. There is a God. But remember something. Teamwork makes the dream work. Bye.